our first vlog, official vlog, and we're gonna just start doing videos about signing and fun and teaching a little bit of sign language, and also our different reviews for Mommy and Leo. Yeah, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna explain about our experience going to Build-A-Bear. Now, he did not get an actual teddy bear because my idea was to think, why not every year during Christmas time we go make a special friend, kind of like how Santa Claus at his workshop in the North Pole area, he makes the special toys. Isn't that cool? We want to experience that a little bit, and I thought, oh, we can try Build-A-Bear. And that's what we did. Except he didn't get a Build-A-Bear. He didn't get a bear. He got, what's your friend? What is that?
Charizard.
It's a what?
Charizard.
I thought his name was Charmander.
I know. His name is Charmander and Charizard. Yes.
Oh, because you named him Charmander. They get, gonna hold it? They get a birth certificate with the cute little friend. He got to go in the store and look around and pick out
a costume.
Yes, his costumes. But first, he wasn't stuffed like this. You had to make him, right? So we had to go and find the one you wanted, and you picked up the dragon. He's like a dragon, right? Can you show? Can you kind of show him all?
You want me to take this off?
Yeah, make him naked. It's gonna be naked. It's okay. He's a dragon baby. He's a dragon baby. It's okay. Dragon. Can you sign dragon?
Yeah, I can.
Oh.
Dragon.
What does he do? Does he make noise? He can talk. He says his name. It sounds like he says his name. Oh, he dropped his clothes. Clothes fell on the floor.
Hey, clothes.
And he can also, what? He also smells good.
He also smells good.
It smells like cotton
Candy.
or candy. Oh my God. Can we eat him?
No.
But he also has a heartbeat.
You want to heal it? If I can even find it in him.
It's probably going to be hard for our audience to hear that. But it really, you can really feel it for sure. Well, they can't, but we can. Feel it. It goes
But
boom,
you
boom,
actually can
boom,
feel
boom, boom, boom.
it. It goes.
You can hear it and you can
If
feel
you
it.
have one.
If you decide to pick a real heartbeat, they do have the special part. What was that they said? Tell them what they did with that little special heart thing.
Which one?
The little soft one.
Oh, guess what?
You don't have a lot of time.
They made me rub it right here so it could be strong. They made me rub it on my nose. They made me kiss it.
Why don't you put it on your nose so it can get to know you? It was silly. What else? What about on your back? They make the heart, put it on your back.
They made me put it on my back.
So because it can get your back, have your back.
And when I kissed it, I made a wish. Guess what I wished?
No, you can't tell your wish. It's a secret.
I know.
It can come true. Silly. So, in a few minutes, we're going to show you a little bit of the tour of our store, our first experience. And the reason why we decided to do this was our first time. I always thought that Build-A-Bear was really going to be super expensive, but it really wasn't that expensive. It was pretty reasonably priced. And the other reason why I didn't want to go in because I felt a little awkward. I didn't know how the process went. So we just went ahead in there, and the woman that worked there was very helpful, and it was very simple. We just got to pick out which guy we wanted, which animal, teddy bear, critter, or whatever, and he got to stuff him, and he got to do just a couple of other special things, and we added some extra things like the heart and the smells and the sound, and bring him to life. Ooh, he woke up. Really cool. And what?
And we got the comb. And I got the comb him.
You got the comb him.
Charizard.
So that was...
I got the comb, the dragon is right in my hand. He likes jumping.
Oh.
And he likes flipping.
Don't flap him. He's gonna knock over the camera. Alright, well that's our review, and enjoy our short video of us shopping and looking around and experiencing it for the first time.
Hey!
We're making our special stuffed critter. I'm calling it critter because I don't know which you're going to pick. What do you want to pick, Leo? This is our first time. Pikachu? Wait, you got to tell her first. You don't just get off the shelf. Here, let's look around some more. What else do we got?
Should I choose
Toothless. Ooh.
Or I choose Charizard. Charizard if there's no...
Oh, look at the Mickey. Look at the Mickey one. That's pretty cool. You got like Mickey. Here, let's look at these other things over here. What is that? She said a Spider-Man bear.
Spider-Bear, 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 Spider-Bear. Wow,
These are how they look when they're stuffed. So we get to make our own special one. Which one are you looking at?
I chose Charizard.
Alright, we're gonna get it stuffed.
If you didn't know, Charizard can fly.
Step on the pedal.
Be careful. good boy. Sign it.
I did it small for other people.
Say hi. That's awesome.